All right, now we're going to actually do this simulation. This time, for time's sake, we're only going to run 5 trials. We're going to use the number line again. This time I want you to use line 20, which was just randomly picked, but it really doesn't matter because this is all random numbers. Remember, this time we're doing 2 digits at a time, and then don't forget which numbers represent what? 0 to 19 are varsity, 20 to 56 are non-varsity. So starting on line 20, 2 digits at a time, 0, 9. So trial 1. First person selected is 0, 9, and 0, 9 is a varsity player. Okay. Next is 87. That is an ignore. We did not give 87 any kind of a value. So I can just kind of exit out on my paper. Next is 50. You just join this number with that number. 50. So 50 is a non-varsity member. Continuing on, 89 is an ignore, 99 is an ignore, and then 27. 27 is a non-varsity member. That is a stopping point. That's the end of a trial. We've picked 3 people. We didn't pick the same person twice. And in this case, we did not get all 3 varsity, so I'm going to say no. Okay, this is a categorical variable, so our answers can be like yes and no. No, it was not all varsity. All right, I'm going to mark off where I ended on my paper. I'm going to pick up right where I left off for trial 2. And for trial 2, I have 65. That's an ignore. I have 68-1. That's an ignore. 58 is an ignore. 71 is ignore. 23. That's a person. 23 is non-varsity. 63 is ignore, 70 is ignore, 9. Now, 9 was chosen in the first trial, but that's okay. This is a different trial. So this person just happened to get picked in both simulations. That's a varsity. 52 is a non-varsity. So there are my 3 people, and no, it was not all 3 varsity. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off. In the next video, I will have finished the trials. We're going to run 5 trials this time, and then we'll do our conclusion.